I noticed that too. Some people like this. Some people, for some reason, like when I talk like this. I'm not going to say who, but a certain EN member told me that my voice was very sexy when I talk like this. I'm not gonna say who it was though. For some reason, I am deeply uncomfortable. Are you comfortable now, Captain Quack Quack? This one's pretty nice. Oh, see, I wonder why. I wanna die! Senpai, what are you doing here? Okay, bye, Alila! 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 What are you doing here, Alila? I opened the stream to slurping. I apologize. I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Alila Senpai, I'm sorry! Oh my god! This is the worst day of my life. Alila Senpai, why? Out of all time, she could have fucking came to the stream. Why did it have to be when I was slurping? I wanna die.